Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. The Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition desktop gives you the power to develop and explore new worlds with AMD Ryzen 9 3900 processor including AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT 8GB GDDR6 graphic. Experience incredibly fast load times with 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. Delivers unwavering overclocking capabilities automatically thanks to 32GB dual-channel HyperX Fury DDR4X MP at 2933 MHz memory. PCI-Express 4.0 technology doubles the bandwidth to graphics card. I'm overall happy with the computer. It's a powerful computer that's easy to upgrade and looks nice. Plus includes technology like PCIe 4.0 for a bit of future-proofing. If you can tolerate some flaws in the design, this is a great system. If you're looking for perfection which as we know is very rare in a product, it's this system with a top fan that's a bit quieter and an AI water-cooled CPU. You will be happy as long as you understand what you are buying.